All right, I was just looking at what rules we're permitted to use for this next exercise. So these are the three: sine inverse, tan inverse, and sec inverse. Fair enough. Okay, so using those rules, let's do some integration here. Um, but actually, to get started, that's pretty nice. It's just a straightforward application of the rule. So this one here is literally the first one with a is 1. So that's sine inverse x with the limit 0 and root 3 over 2. So let us check that out. That's pi over 3. And then this one, is that their mistake? Because tan has plus in it. I kind of wonder. Because it's not a tan, it's going to be a log then. Let me just check the first one. So that's correct, but wonder now this, they mean to have a plus here. Should check if someone's opened a ticket. This is 392. Yeah, it's a sign error. It says corrected spring 2021, but that doesn't look like it happened. So it's supposed to be a plus here. For the second question in the exercise, they don't want to do anything tricky. So that should be tan inverse x a half and minus a half. So let's see what that is. It's decimal though. So perhaps they just wanted left as tan inverse a half. Oh, well, actually, yeah, tan inverse minus a half is minus tan inverse a half. So I could say that this is 2. That's as simple as I can make it. But if you're wondering, how would you do it if it was actually a minus? So what you would do is you would change this into two fractions, 1 minus x and 1 plus x, the x. And we have to think about what goes here. Because you can imagine this as 1 over 1 minus x times 1 plus x, the x. I think that's 2 and minus 2. No, sorry, plus 2, isn't it? So let's check. That's 2 plus 2x. Halves then. 1 Yeah, halves, I think. Halves would do it. Let's check this out, because that'll be a half plus a half x plus a half minus a half x. Yeah. So that would be a half. And then when you integrate this, actually what you could do, you could put a minus in the front. You could take out the half and put a minus in the front and a minus on top. And then one on top here. And then this is of the form where the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. So that becomes a half minus log 1 minus x plus log 1 plus x. So then that would become log 1 plus x, root 1 plus x over 1 minus x. So then if you put in the two limits, put in a half, so that would be log, and then it would be 1 plus a half over 1 minus a half. So that's 3 minus log, and then just put in the minus. And then that's root 1 over 3. So then that just becomes log 3. Let me check that answer. Minus a half to a half. I'm off a tiny bit. Oh, sorry. I did the original one, not the minus one. Yeah, so that's right. So that's, I've done it two ways now. This way is with the plus, and this way is with the minus. That's both solutions.